Hello and welcome to this training. My name is Natasha Reslow and I have the pleasure of presenting to you this first video in a series of videos explaining the LexiMobile app. In this video you will learn how to set your app up with another search engine than the given one, and you will learn how to use the app in general. Following videos will give more details about the different functionalities of the app. Here you see the main screen and you see the different tabs that we are going to work with. These are Categories, which contains information about rivers, US presidents, Oscar winners and so on. Thesaurus, which is based upon Princeton University's free WordNet application. And Crossword, which contains more than 113,000 of the most commonly used crossword words today. Then we have Search Result, which contains the result of our search. And finally, User Setup. In this video we will only work with crossword, search results and user setup, which is displayed on the slide to the right. If you haven't signed up yet for information of updates and related products on our website, you can do so via your phone. Notice that you will also get the sign up bonus from signing up via your phone. Besides signing up, it is also here you can choose your preferred search engine. If you are satisfied with Wikipedia, you don't have to do anything, as this is a standard search engine for this app. If you have chosen to have another search engine than Wikipedia, or the ones displayed in the drop-down box, just push the Add button in the upper right corner. Now you can type in your preferred search engine. In the first box you give it a name, which is the name that will be in the drop-down box after you have saved. And in the second box you type the full URL. Notice that different engines have different search structures. The easiest is to go to the search engine via your browser and search for something, and then copy the string you see here. Of course, the string you set in should be without the object you searched for, otherwise it searches for the same object again and again. You can also, if you don't want to see all the different engines in the drop-down box, or you regret what you typed in, delete the search engines. Just swipe to the left or right over the name and a delete box will appear. To use the app, simply choose the tab you want to work with and type in the criteria you want to search for. In this case, we asked for all two-letter words beginning with a B. Notice the radio buttons in the search pattern box. Here you can choose pattern, which is exactly the letters in exactly the position as the example here we have with B as the first letter. You can choose within, i.e. B just has to be present someplace in the word, so in this case, as we are looking only for two-letter words, the result will be all letters starting or ending with B. Or last, i.e. the word has to end with what you typed in this case a B. Notice the blue circle with the black arrow. If you push this button, you will go to Easy Pattern Setup. You will find more information about this in the next slide. As you will see here, we have used the radio button last, and our criteria is that all words we find should end with DE, which we have typed into the search pattern field. To check and possibly correct, we pushed the Easy Pattern Setup button and got to this. Notice that we only see two boxes, which is because we have not stated the length of the word we want, so we will get all words from the database ending with DE regardless of the length, which you can see in the results screen to the right. Also notice that we have an alphabetic string to the right, which tells us that there are even more words than we see in the first screen. This is exactly the same way we work with thesaurus and categories, except for the fact that here we can also choose to work with a special synonym group or a specific category, for example Nobel Prize winners. See other videos in this series for examples of how to work with these. In this video you learned how to work with the app and how to change the search engine. I thank you for your attention, have fun with your app, and I'll see you in the next video.